Alright, so today my friend said that we really need to clean my wheels because they look really dirty. And not even specifically the the wheel itself, but you know, like the calipers, they're like really yellow. But look at this, it's gross as well as specifically on the fronts because of the brake dust, because again of racing. And we're going to have a track session at Sonoma next week, so we really want to clean them up. And my friend said that he has 4 different wheel cleaners, and he'll tell us more about them. So we'll try each of them at the edge, each wheel, and then we'll decide which one is best. So if my friend can now tell us what's the difference between them.
I would not call all of them as a wheel cleaner. This is just a regular all-purpose cleaner, which is, I find, like, it's kind of good. This is the German one, Sonax. Really good, but kind of expensive. This is turtle wax, about $11, something like that. I like it. And this is I got it from grocery store, like $4 or $5, and I forgot to mention this around $20, and Simple Green around $5-6. Yeah.
So basically, and he has been working at a detail shop for quite some time, so he knows what he's talking about. So let's try and see how it goes, and we'll share the results and the process with you.
The first wheel we're gonna try Sonax. Let's use it as directed. Let's apply it on the dry wheel. Let's see what's gonna happen. Let's wait and we'll see how the solution gonna turn purple. And let's do the caliper first. Caliper does look good. Let's switch to the wheel. Let's switch to the brush again. And let's do the inside. Much better.
Do you think that we can do the caliper even well?
Yeah.
One more time?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think because of the track, because and this is his, like, I haven't done that in 30,000 miles, so thanks to my friend, this is the first time we're doing this properly.
This brush kind of soft.
So they're different brushes?
Yeah.
Harder, softer. Maybe after the cleaning, my brakes will stop squeaking. No?
Maybe.
I don't think so, but we'll see.
Use the sponge for wheels, only for wheels, and do not switch it to the paint or use somewhere else on the wheels and brush it. Yeah, a lot of dirt is like baked already. It's very hard to wheel.
It will still be better than it was. Yeah, we can look inside, and now we can see that it's yellow actually. All right, cool. Well, and if you can see, like, in comparison, so this is this wheel, and if we go dirtiest. So in this one was this guy, Sonax.
Here, let's try a Simple Green. I personally like to spray the wheels first. You can dilute it, but I'm using as is.
And this was
Simple Green.
Well, I barely see the difference. And this one was how much?
About $5 in Home Depot.
And that one? Okay, let's move on. So far, Simple Green is like, it's fine.
Yeah, but don't forget that front wheels has bigger brakes.
Yeah, front wheels have bigger brakes and more dust.
Let's try here turtle wax.
Turtle wax.
It's already purple. You can scrap rubber.
I think similar to that one, we need to go calipers one more time because it has a lot of dirt that has been baked. So I think one tip here, if you drive hard or you drive even okay, but you have a lot of brake dust, so don't wait until many miles later. You need to actually clean it up, a couple times because it's going to be baked in the caliper, and the color of the caliper will lose its color, which is suboptimal.
You see it's baked.
Yeah, so now it's, probably for me will be like a proper detailing.
Yeah, you can use clay bar, but I actually don't have it right now handy.
Oh, next time we're gonna do something with it. We'll really try it out.
Yeah. Also, you can use some ceramic coatings designed for wheels, sealant protectors.
Oh, still better than it was. Interestingly, if we go here and compare it to this side, they look the same to me.
Some Black Magic Intense All Wheel Cleaner. Let's see how it's gonna work. Yeah, caliper, I guess. Needs one more time.
Yeah, calipers need one more time. So yeah, this is actually a problem, especially when you go on the track. The brake dust actually kills the color. It's also better than it was. And for someone who don't know, so this is the actual brakes, right? When you brake, and this is the parking brake. So I have two of them. All right, so back to. Oh, they look good. So now, if we take a look at this one, and the same bottom, but at the bottom of this side. Well, I actually think that this one is better. Okay, so coming back to our solution. So, which one would you pick? This one, the simple green, the wheel cleaner, Sonax, turtle wax. All right, turtle wax, or the Black Magic all-wheeler. I don't see much difference. The only thing that maybe because of the caliper, but I'm not as happy. Like other calipers came up way better than this one, so I would not choose this. But other than that, all others are pretty good. What do you think? Which one would you choose?
I would prefer Sonax, but it cost more than anything combined, $20.
All right, so we'll get Sonax, and then so this one is kind of our winner. There's no clear winner, and there are more solutions that we can try. So let us know what kind of solutions that we can try, and we'll try them, and we'll see which one will be the best.
Okay, now we're gonna apply some tire shine. This is some basic from grocery store. Works for me fine, and I bought applicator, like also $3, and this about also $5, not sure. Okay, let's apply a little bit on the phone.
Like brand new. All right, so this is the final result that we have. I think now wheels look very clean. Jesus Christ. And I'm super happy with the result. We'll test more products later on, but yeah. Thanks guys for watching. See you in the next one.